What should you look for when choosing a crypto exchange? Picking the best crypto exchange can be a complicated process. Important features to consider are fees, security, and whether they list the assets that you are interested in buying. First and foremost, you'll want a secure exchange, which helps the uninitiated learn how to start investing in digital currencies. As cryptocurrency has risen in popularity and value, it has become a more attractive target for hackers, and a number of major exchanges, including Binance's international business and KuCoin, have recently been hacked for tens of millions of dollars. While exchanges frequently reimburse customers whose coins are stolen through their insurance, you don't want to be in that situation in the first place. As a result, it's critical that you only invest on trusted exchanges. Spreading your crypto purchases across multiple exchanges or moving your crypto off of an exchange's default wallet to your own secure, cold wallet that is not connected to the internet and thus much harder to hack will reduce your risk, though you'll need to remember your passcode or you'll lose access to your crypto forever. But you will also need to look out for withdrawal fees when you move crypto off of an exchange. These often vary by coin type. What's more, low trading markets may end up costing you on sales. If there's not a lot of volume and you put an order in, there's what's called slip page, where you could be buying at a higher or lower than you want. When there's a lot of volume, you can ensure that you can sell your coins without affecting their price. If you're just getting started with buying cryptocurrency, look for an easy-to-use platform with thorough educational resources to help you understand this complex, rapidly developing commodity. Don't forget about the costs. When you're still learning the ropes, paying a premium for a simple interface may be acceptable, but larger fees cut into your long-term profits. High-frequency traders, in particular, are looking to save costs. Finally, just because you can visit an exchange's website doesn't mean it's available in your country or even state. Many state and federal governments are still determining how they want to treat cryptocurrencies legally and fiscally. So here are 10 trusted crypto exchanges where you can start investing. Binance. What is Binance and how does it work? Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume, with over 180 nations represented among its users. It offers a number of features that are ideal for novices and is quite simple to use. You may also improve your crypto expertise by using its outstanding Binance Academy learning area. Binance has a wide range of services for everyone from complete crypto beginners to DeFi degens. Binance has enhanced its regulatory compliance in response to rising regulatory pressure in some countries by creating a trustworthy user verification system and deleting or restricting certain problematic services, such as security tokens and high-leverage trading. Binance Mobile and Desktop Application. You can use Binance on Android and also iOS. And if you refer a friend, you can earn crypto together up to 40% commission on every trade across Binance Spot, futures and pool. Coinbase. Coinbase is by far one of the most popular and one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges because you can invest directly with USD. You can currently purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin and many other coins and tokens on the platform. Furthermore, you can earn interest on your dollars, and you can earn token rewards by completing various activities. What do they offer? Coinbase's popularity stems from having one of the easiest and fastest buying processes. It also helps that they are a US regulated company. Since Coinbase is in the US, if you are a US resident, you won't have to file IRS Form FBAR, Report of Foreign Bank and Financial Accounts, for foreign accounts with over $10,000. On the Coinbase platform, you can trade Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin without having to first convert from your base currency into another cryptocurrency. Also, when you create a new Coinbase account, you will receive a $10 bonus just for signing up. You have the registration link for their bonus in the description. Voyager. Because it was one of the earliest publicly traded exchanges, Voyager is a popular place to invest in cryptocurrency. They are app-based and provide a commission-free trading environment. Voyager accepts the majority of major cryptocurrencies, offers excellent customer service and involvement, and offers reasonable interest rates on assets. Referral program. So, they have a nice referral program, and if you can convince a friend to sign up with Voyager, deposit $100, and then trade that $100, you'll both earn $25 worth of Bitcoin. You have the registration link for their bonus in the description. BlockFi. BlockFi is a cryptocurrency investment platform that allows you to lend and earn interest on your holdings. Also, instead of selling your coins and tokens, you can also borrow against your holdings. If you're just looking to hold your tokens, you can also just let them earn interest for you. They have a nice bonus offer because for every person that signs up using your referral code and funds $100 or more into their BlockFi interest account, you and that friend will each earn $10 in BTC. We will also leave the link to them in the description if you want to receive the bonus. Uphold. Uphold provides a straightforward approach to trading numerous assets. Open a single account and trade multiple assets without having to return to cash. If you've ever traded cryptocurrency, you're aware that many currencies and tokens only trade in specific pairs, so you're always returning to BTC or ETH. On the other hand, you can trade many assets at once on Uphold. Also, Uphold is one of the few exchanges that accepts XRP, Doge, and other cryptocurrencies. Kraken. Kraken is one of the first cryptocurrency trading platforms, with a wide range of coins and tokens to trade and invest in. They also allow you to trade on margin. It is, however, a real exchange that is not as user-friendly as other of the top platforms on this list. They are one of the longest-running crypto exchanges, with high level of security and trust with large variety of crypto and tokens to trade. eToro. eToro has been around for long in the UK and Europe, but it is now open to traders in the United States. They provide a large selection of digital assets to buy and sell on their platform, and they even have a practice trading account so you can try it out before using real money. They have worldwide options for trading crypto, ability to copy other traders' portfolios and low minimums to start. eToro is currently offering a $10 bonus if you deposit $100 in crypto assets and trade them. If you want to receive the bonus, we'll also leave a link to them in the description. Bitcoin IRA. Bitcoin IRA isn't like the other platforms on this list. Unlike most exchanges and wallets, you're essentially exchanging currency and must pay taxes on your profits. As a result, Bitcoin IRA combines the best of both worlds, a crypto wallet and exchange, as well as an IRA. This means that any earnings you make within the account are either tax-free or tax-deferred. Crypto.com. Crypto.com is one of the most popular and rapidly expanding cryptocurrency exchanges. It's situated in Hong Kong, but it provides a lot of help to consumers in the United States. They have huge amount of supported coins and tokens, pays weekly interest on crypto savings, and you can get a debit card linked to your account. The Crow coin, created by Crypto.com, is its own native cryptocurrency. Customers can use the Crypto.com DeFi wallet app to pay for goods and services. It's also possible to sell it. They also have unlimited bonus for you and your friends. You can share a referral link with your friends like the one we have in the description, and when your friend stakes for a Ruby card or above, you both get $25 in Crow coin. Hodlnaut. Using their platform's saving and lending options, you may earn up to 7.46% on your Bitcoin and up to 12.73% on your USDC right now. They pays high interest on holdings, no minimum balance requirements, and you get $20 free when you deposit $1,000. We have a lot of other exchanges to present to you, but for the moment we have chosen only these 10 because they are some of the most used by us and many other people, and also offer security and confidence in investing money and trading with them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.